This is question number 168. It is saying select whether each of the following events which occurred in January 19 would be classified as adjusting or non-adjusting events. Okay, so we have three things. One is health and safety fine. Second one is customer ceased trading. Third one, the acquisition of a competitor. So the facts related to this question are already provided in the previous question 167, where we had this long, you know, this long list of things. So we have this information here. Okay, we already read it, and we gathered, all of this information which is relevant for us, and we will copy the same, and we can keep it on this 168 as well. Now we know all of these facts that the period is ended 31st December 18. The financial statements were authorized on 15th March, and then there are four events, or even, yeah, four events that they mention: health and safety fine. So one by one we can look at it. So the first one is health and safety fine, whether it is an adjusting event or non-adjusting event. So it occurred in 18. Okay, health and safety fine, it occurred in 2018. um, if you want to read it again, we can read it. A health and safety investigation of an incident which occurred in 18 was concluded in January 19. Okay, so resulting in a 1.5 million fine. So there was an event that has happened in 18. Okay, and it was concluded in 19. So even before the statements, financial statements were authorized to be issued, even before that, the this was concluded, and we have 1.5 million of fine. Okay, so this is an adjusting event because it occurred in the reporting period, plus even before it was authorized, we got the settlement amount, which is 1.5 million. So for this reason, number one will be an adjusting event. Okay, so the first will be uh, sorry first will be adjusting event. Okay, customer ceased the trading. So there is a bad dates, but the events existed in 18, and we got to know on 10th January. So 10th January is also before the this got so 15th March it got authorized, and before that we got to know about this bad dates thing, and this condition was existing on the reporting period end by December 18. Yeah, so this is also an adjusting event, and I will read the facts related to this once again. Customer ceased trading. 2. Notice was received on 10 January 19. So we got the notice that the customer owing 1.2 million at 31st December 18 had ceased trading, and it is unlikely that the debt will be recovered in full. So here we can see that we have got the notice on 10 January 19, but the customer was owing us on the reporting period end. So the condition was already existed on the reporting period end. So it is also an adjusting event. Third one. Okay. Acquisition of a competitor. So we acquired a competitor, I think, on 10 January 19. So it is not an adjusting event. Yeah, it is non-adjusting event. Okay. We can read this once again. Acquisition of a competitor. The acquisition of a competitor was finalized on 10 January 19. Okay. So because it was finalized on 19, it is not an adjusting event. It didn't exist on the reporting period end. Okay. Uh, Negotiations commence in May 18. So that is not relevant. Even if you started the you know negotiations earlier, that doesn't make any difference. So third one will be a non-adjusting event.